The Honor 7S launched this year on May 28, 2018 in Pakistan. This smartphone is part of Honor's entry-level smartphones. We were given a chance to test the unit. Here are our first impressions of the device. Hey guys, this is Daniel from Manila Shaker. The Honor 7S arrived in a hardened blue box. The smartphone's name is located at the front of the box and on the sides as well. As for the company's logo, it is positioned at the top of the box. On the back part, some details of the device are stated, including its display, camera, SIM slots, and battery specs. The package contained the 5.45-inch Honor 7S, a wall adapter, a gray USB 2.0 connector, and a SIM ejector pin. The Honor 7S sports a metal frame with a black plastic back. It measures 146.5 by 70.9 by 8.3 millimeters and weighs 142 grams. The smartphone has thick bezels at the top and bottom. Unlike the recently released smartphones, the Honor 7S does not feature the infamous notch. The front of the phone contains the speaker or earpiece, front camera, and the LED notification light. At the bottom bezel, you'll find the company logo. No physical or capacitive buttons can be seen at the front since Honor made use of on-screen buttons. Moving on to the rear part of the device, the camera is positioned at the top left with its LED flash beside it. The company logo is once again seen in the middle part. The usual power button and volume rockers can be found on the right side of the smartphone, whereas the 3-in-1 SIM slot can be seen on the left. The bottom houses a sensor and the USB 2.0 port, and the top contains the 3.5mm audio jack. Overall, the design of the Honor 7S looks simple and minimalistic. As mentioned, the back of the device is made of matte plastic. It can be smudged with fingerprints, but it's easy to wipe off. The Honor 7S features a 5.45-inch full-view display with a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels and an aspect ratio of 18:9. Its screen was bright enough and it had good color representation. The color also doesn't change when viewed from different angles. We tried taking some shots outside and we didn't have any issues with looking at the screen. The Honor smartphone features a 13-megapixel rear camera with face detection autofocus and an LED flash. It also sports a 5-megapixel front camera with its own LED flash. Here are some sample shots. The Honor 7S is powered by the MediaTek MT6 739 along with a PowerVR GE8100 GPU. It comes with a quad-core processor clocked up to 1.5 GHz. The device also arrived with 2 GB of RAM and an internal storage of 16 GB, which is expandable via a microSD card. The smartphone is fueled by a 3020 mAh battery and runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. We'll dive more about its features and user experience in our full review. The Honor 7S is priced at 14,499 Pakistani rupees, which is approximately 6,374 pesos. It arrived in the colors black, gold, and blue. Once again, this has been Daniel from Manila Shaker. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it, and do subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching!